Getting scratches on your base is a normal part of skiing and snowboarding. Surface level scratches can be smoothed out with a base grind by a professional tune shop, but deeper scratches, or core shots, can interfere with your riding and will be a threat to the health of your skis or board. Core shots will eventually allow water to soak into the inner layers, which can then cause the layers to separate or delaminate. This type of damage can be the end of your favorite skis, but if it is caught early enough, it can be repaired back to its original strength and remain on the snow for years to come. You can repair most core shots yourself at home with a base material called P-Tex. P-Tex sticks can be found at most ski shops, and it comes in clear or a variety of colors to match your base color. Here are a few things you will need to do this repair: a P-Tex stick, a sharp blade, and a lighter, base cleaner, scouring pad, metal scraper, and a well-ventilated area where you can make some mess. First, remove the excess base material from around the damaged area using a sharp blade. Then, scrub clean the area of any dirt using a base cleaner. Once it is clean and dry, you can light your P-Tex with a careful flame. P-Tex can be slow to light. Using a constant flame from a candle or even a torch is best to light the stick. You'll need a safe surface to allow for the hot P-Tex to drip while you work. When lit, a P-Tex is dangerously hot. Be careful not to let it drip on your skin. When you get comfortable working with P-Tex, you can make very little mess, but it is best to be prepared for the worst when starting out. Once lit, hold the dripping P-Tex above the repair area, letting the drips fill in the scratches. Hold it low and close to the area. If it is a deeper repair, it will need several layers of P-Tex to fill in, and let each new layer of P-Tex cool in the base before relighting the stick and adding the next layer. Repeat this process until the layers are built up, filling the entire area. After the P-Tex has fully cooled, use your knife to remove the excess material above the base surface. Finally, a metal scraper will shave the final layer down to evenly match the base surface. Use careful small scrapes to finish the job, going back over it slowly and evenly until it feels smooth with your base. And there you have it. Your base is as good as new. If there is an extra large gouge, or if it is along a metal edge, it can be best to have a tune shop do the repair. Even with a repair fee, it will be much cheaper than new skis or a new board. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or swing by our shop. Like this video? Then like it and share with your friends. Want more? Subscribe to our channel here and visit nextadventure.net and sign up for our emails so you never miss an adventure.